Hey, how you doing? Justin here. Today I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Some of you might have figured this out already, but many people haven't, looking at the comments earlier on in this course. So what we're talking about is the open strings that occur while you're changing chords. And it's okay, because everybody does it. It's on loads of records and it's nothing to worry about. So if you're going to strum an up strum on the and after 4, so 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, that and very often is open strings. Okay, especially at a faster tempo where it just kind of glistens past, you don't even really notice it. So if I was doing C to E, you don't even hear there's anything wrong there. But if I slowed it right down, you'd hear... I'm exaggerating it now. You really don't notice it. It's perfectly all right for it to be in there. Now that I've made you aware of it, you'll probably hear it on loads and loads of great records. You hear this little bit where the fingers come up, and it's okay. If you're going really slowly, kind of sounds a little bit weird, and I was exaggerating it there. You're probably on that up strum after 4. You don't want to be really hitting that super hard anyway. So it's going to be a very light strum, probably only on the thinner strings as well. When I was exaggerating it, I was tending to strum all of the strings. But most times, up strums, just the thinnest few strings anyway. So all you're adding is this in between. Slow it down. Now, I've been playing for a long time. I can probably make the chord changes if I really try. Unless it's ludicrously fast, I could jump my fingers over to get to it. But it actually doesn't sound so good. If I go... it just makes it lumpy and jerky, and that kind of nice relaxed feeling that I'm looking for when I'm playing disappears. Because I've got to be so focused on trying to get this change, and it gets all tense, and the whole music thing is about it being nice and relaxed and comfortable and feeling good. And if you suddenly start trying to put all of this pressure and tension on something insignificant like a chord change, like, you're really spoiling the pudding there. Okay, so be aware that it's okay for that to happen. You'll find that there are times where things that are wrong can sound really good. Okay? A lot of it is just down to what it sounds like, because music is about sound. So occasionally you might find things that are, wrong, but they sound cool. Particularly if you're getting into creativity and writing, you might find sometimes you play an E chord and you put it down on a fret too high. You go, oh God, that sounds horrible. But if you listened, that actually sounds pretty beautiful. So there's suddenly these things where it might not have been right, but it's still going to be fine. Okay? Remember to use your ears. Don't be upset about things unless they sound bad. And especially don't be upset if you hit some open strings in between your chord changes.